I would like to invite if Ravi ji is there. Ravi, maybe we can speak few words if you're here.
Namaste, Guruji.
Okay.
You can hear me, Guruji?
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you for giving me an opportunity. So I would say, I got connected with Guruji Manoj Joshi back in California. So I was in Bay Area, California for 8 years. And with, as we all know, with Silicon Valley stress and anxieties, I was in a constant search, to deal with the issues. Initially, I dealt with that at a physical level, not knowing, what exactly I need to be doing. And fortunately, I guess with the divine bliss, I landed at Wellness by All Means studio. And I got a flyer from one of the Ganesh festival in Bay Area. So after that time, Guruji or Manoj Joshi is not only my teacher, but he's our dear family member. So thanks to Gayatri ji, Manoj ji, and me and my wife and my sweet daughter Ria. So we are like a extended family. And what is the most impactful thing happened in my life is, so I have always been a studious intellectual guy, but I would say the spiritual touch, or knowing myself, that was missing. I mean, I'm always a guy with information, facts, and all those stuff. But all these things actually couldn't lead me to the sense of fulfillment or sense of completeness. And when I got associated with Wellness by All Means, so in initial couple of years I slogged, and with me Manoj also slogged, to get me to that level. So we practiced meditations, especially Yog Nidra. Then I used to, be a rigorous physical yoga at Wellness by All Means studio. We have done a lot of yoga workshops, yoga festivals in Gilroy. So it was like a continuous association, with all these activities. And what happened with me is that with this platform, I, extended this knowledge to my near and dear ones. And currently, I am also a meditation teacher. So I came back India back in 2018, and since that I started spreading this word of Wellness by All Means and mindfulness. So maybe around 100 people I have taught meditations. We have a nice like-minded group in here. And while pandemic was going on, we had in India, the lockdown started from late March. So we did 63 days of challenges, doing sun salutations, mindful breathing. And what we try to do is, with all these like-minded people in IT area, non-IT area, we try to keep that mindfulness into the picture, and everybody liked it. They have actually, they liked it. So with that, I would say, definitely the subject is there. The yoga is a subject, meditation is a subject, but we need the teacher. Because let's say there is a mathematics, it's the same subject, but the guru, the teacher, the way he teaches to the students, so that makes a good impact. And I'm really fortunate that Manoj has come into our family, and we never felt he's really down to earth. A lot of people have mentioned all the good qualities. I'm out of words now. But as Manoj was talking yesterday, instead of talking about we, let's promote and let's talk about the practices, the knowledge. So that is what is important in today's area, especially I would say in the youth, Indian youth, or youth across the world. As we have seen, Sushant from Bollywood industry, not able to coping up with the mind, even though he's a great character and personality. So similar cases are there. We are highly intellectuals, thought leaders. But with that, if we get to understand the mind yoga, the mind power, the mindfulness, and who we are, I mean, that will actually, even though there are a lot of struggles, stresses, those are not going to go away. I mean, with me, it didn't go away, the external factors which are influencing. But now I'm able to, I won't say 100%, but every day I try, I meditate, and I teach, I heal. So that is what I guess we need on this day of International Yoga Day. So thank you, everyone. Manoj ji, Vishwanath Guru ji, I have met him also in California. So happy International Yoga Day. Thank you very much. Keep meditating. Keep meditating. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Raviji, for a wonderful and very brief message about yoga and mindfulness and meditation, and how particularly, like, it has transformed your life. And you're a typical example of all of us. Like, you go through the normal stress of life in the IT sector, and then particularly the amount of persistence that you have shown, and the passion that you have carried on to motivate other people, even a boy from the street, or somebody who is in your team, in the company. You have been able to touch their lives way back in India. And it's a great source of inspiration for us to extend the Wellness by All Means family, and then 21 SWP Social Wellness Partnership with people like you. I hope that this bonding will go on for at least a few centuries. Thank you very much.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely. Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you, Raviji. And from our India team, may I request Kumudji